In this video, we're going to show you how to fix lines not appearing when using the render function in AutoCAD. Rendering is a powerful feature that allows you to create realistic visualizations of your 3D models. It helps transform simple geometry into professional-looking presentations by adding materials, lighting, shadows, and other visual effects. However, many users become confused when they render a scene and notice that their lines, edges, or wireframe details no longer appear in the final image. The model may render successfully, but important line work seems to disappear. In most cases, this behavior is normal because rendering is designed to display surfaces and materials rather than the construction lines used during modeling. Fortunately, there are a few simple settings that can help you display edges and improve the visibility of your model. The good news is that this issue can usually be solved with a couple of quick adjustments. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make your model details more visible when rendering in AutoCAD. So, let's get started. The first method is to check the visual style of the model. Before rendering, make sure your objects are actual 3D solids or surfaces rather than simple construction lines. Render works best with 3D geometry because lines by themselves may not appear in the final rendered image. If necessary, convert your design into solid objects before rendering. If the model still lacks visible edges, try enabling edge display settings. Open the Visual Styles Manager and choose a visual style that displays edges more clearly. You can also adjust edge settings to improve the appearance of object boundaries in your view. After making the changes, run the render command again and review the results. In most situations, these two methods will solve the problem. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, verify that you're rendering 3D solids or surfaces rather than relying on construction lines. Second, adjust visual style and edge display settings to improve model visibility. And third, render the scene again to confirm that the details appear as expected. Remember that rendering focuses primarily on materials, lighting, and surfaces. Because of this, wireframe lines and drafting geometry may not appear the same way they do in a normal drawing view. Understanding the difference between modeling geometry and rendered output can help avoid confusion and produce better visual results. Taking a few moments to review visual styles and object types before rendering can save time and improve the overall quality of your presentation images. It's a simple troubleshooting process, but it can make a significant difference when creating professional renderings in AutoCAD. And that's how to fix lines not appearing when using the render function in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.